Delegate Price, timing is everything.
All right, let's see if I can breathe.
We have already determined as I came over this morning, I think they keep adding steps every day.
I would support. Good morning, Mr. Chairman and members. House Joint Resolution 73 would instruct JLARC to do a study on the impacts of gun violence across the Commonwealth. And I understand that we may disagree on firearm safety legislation, but I hope that you'll agree with me that communities like mine need help in addressing the gun violence we are experiencing. And we need accurate data to help guide our proposals. Sorry. The CDC was allowed to start studying gun violence just a few years ago, and with the pandemic, they've been quite busy and haven't really been able to do a comprehensive study, especially not at our state level. So both sides of the aisle respect JLARC and their work, and this resolution would give them the opportunity to take a comprehensive look. The study would look at the overall physical health, mental and emotional health, and the social and economic health of communities impacted by gun violence. And they would then propose policy recommendations to address their findings. If you don't know what it's like to go to sleep and wake up to the sound of gunfire, I would invite you to the 95th District. We need help, but we also want to make sure that the help that we're giving is targeted and data-based. And so that's why we would love, for the will of the committee, to be to help communities like mine get happier, healthier, and safer with the data that JLARC could put together. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Delegate Price. Questions of the patron? We have a Ms. Edwards in the waiting room to speak on the matter, so if we'll let Ms. Edwards come in.
Hello,
Good morning.
I'm right here.
Thank you, Ms.
Hi,
Edwards.
thank you. My name is Chloe Edwards with Voices for Virginia's Children, where our mission is to champion public policy to improve the lives of Virginia's children. Now, according to our Kids Count Data Center, we know that 19% of children in Virginia have adverse childhood experiences, many of which the delegate alluded to. Our data indicators are inclusive of neighborhood and community violence, socioeconomic hardships, domestic violence, and others. This year, we witnessed more children, in particular, caught in the crossfires of gun-related fatalities as a result of stray bullets and community violence. We know that underlying root causes, such as poverty, can be determinants of community violence. Children don't get to choose their circumstances or the communities they grow up in, but we have a responsibility to ensure that they have access to quality life and opportunity to better those same communities when they get older. This bill will give us more insight into bettering the conditions that our children face. So it is our greatest hope that every community feels like a safe, nurturing home, regardless of where a child lives. For this purpose, we hope it pleases the committee to support this bill. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Edwards. Any questions of Ms. Edwards? Are there others in the virtual world or in the room present to speak to House Joint Resolution 73 in support of our opposition? Thank you, Delegate Price.
Thank you.